Having a life insurance is not a mandatory thing in Canada, but we recommend that you should have a life insurance as part of your financial planning. I'm going to give you 3 main reasons why you should consider life insurance today. Number 1, funeral cost. The average cost of funeral in Canada is between $5,000 to $25,000, depends on the province where you live. If something were to happen to you today, it means that your family will have to dip into your savings and have to come out with this funeral cost, or you put your family in debt. Most people don't even have enough savings to cover their funeral costs. This is why it's important for you to consider having a life insurance plan. Number 2 reason, loss of income. If today you are the primary breadwinner of your family and you pass away without insurance, it means that your entire family will lose an income of $80,000. For instance, if this is what you earn, it means that in the next 10 years, your family could lose as much as $800,000 in income just because there is no strategy in place. This is why it's important for you to consider having a life insurance, because the mortgage, the utilities, and other expenses have to be taken care of. Number 3 reason is paying off debts. The major debt most Canadians have is a mortgage. A lot of people have car loans, and a lot of people have credit card debts and every other debt. But the question is, can your family stay in that home within the next 5 years if life were to happen to you today? What will happen to the mortgage? What will happen to the quality of life that your family has? This is another reason why you should consider having life insurance. If you want to learn more about the different types of insurance products and you want to know which one best fits your needs, DM me the word insurance or put in the comment section insurance, and we'll have a one-on-one and discuss more on your insurance needs.